Samsung's next wave of devices is starting to take shape, and newly leaked renders have given us a first look at the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra and Galaxy S25 FE. While neither device reinvents the wheel, both showcase Samsung's commitment to refining its design language and improving user experience through subtle but meaningful changes. Triangular ruler Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, smaller notch, cleaner display. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, Samsung's upcoming flagship tablet, has surfaced in a new render shared by tipster Evan Blass. The most noticeable change? A smaller waterdrop notch replacing the rectangular cutout seen in previous Ultra tablets like the Tab S10 Ultra 2. Desktop computer, more immersive screen experience with less visual interruption. Artist palette, landscape-friendly notch placement, ideal for video calls and keyboard use. Pencil S Pen support confirmed, though the magnetic charging spot is missing, possibly relocated to the tablet's frame. The tablet is expected to retain its premium AMOLED display, dual rear cameras, and a sleek build. Rumors also suggest it may run on MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chip, a departure from Samsung's usual Snapdragon processors. Mobile phone Galaxy S25 FE, familiar form, slimmer frame. Alongside the tablet, Samsung's Galaxy S25 FE has also appeared in leaked CAD renders. While the design closely resembles the Galaxy S24 FE, there are a few key refinements. 5. Straight ruler, thinner bezels, especially around the top and sides. White square button, slightly thicker bottom bezel, continuing Samsung's asymmetrical aesthetic. Camera with flash, triple rear camera setup, 50MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, and 8MP telephoto. Selfie upgraded 12MP front camera. Gear expected to run on Exynos 2400 or Dimensity 9400, with up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. 8. The S25 FE will feature a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2600 nits peak brightness, making it one of the brightest mid-range phones in Samsung's lineup. Brain final thoughts, subtle refinements, big expectations. While these leaks don't reveal every detail, they hint at Samsung's 2025 strategy, evolution over revolution. The Tab S11 Ultra's notch redesign and the S25 FE's bezel tweaks show a focus on visual polish, hardware consistency, and user-centric design. With Samsung's next Unpacked event approaching, more details are expected to surface soon. Until then, these renders offer a promising glimpse into what's next for Samsung's tablet and fan edition lineup, and it looks like refinement is the new innovation.